Hey there everyone, this is Becca here from YouCanBookMe, and today I want to show you how to make your scheduling seamless by integrating YouCanBookMe with Microsoft Outlook. So if you're using Outlook Mail, Calendar, Teams, this is going to save you a ton of time. So first of all, let's start off with why this is so powerful. Firstly, when you integrate with Outlook, your booking emails land directly in your client's inbox, and they're sent from your own Outlook address, so no more cognitive dissonance. This means better delivery. All of your notifications appear in your sent folder in your Outlook account for easy tracking, and all out-of-office replies land straight in your inbox. Basically, everything is more reliable, more professional, and it's easier to manage. And your clients aren't confused because you're talking to them from your Outlook account, you're getting YouCanBookMe account notifications to them from your Outlook account. It's all from one email address. Clean, easy. Secondly, real-time calendar sync makes scheduling painless. YouCanBookMe instantly checks your Outlook calendar to see when you're free, so your clients can book available times without the annoying back and forth. No double bookings, no confusion, just smooth scheduling. Thirdly, it works across your entire Microsoft ecosystem. One integration to connect to everything you need. Outlook Mail for professional notifications, Outlook Calendar for your live availability sync, and if you want to, Microsoft Teams for your virtual meetings. And if you want to take automation even further, you can even connect Zapier with your YouCanBookMe account to trigger thousands of other workflows. So here's how to integrate your Outlook account with YouCanBookMe. First of all, obviously, log into YouCanBookMe. Click your profile photo in the top right-hand corner and click My Account. Next, let's click on integrations. So when you land on the integrations page, you could scroll and scroll and scroll, but we have 1 million integrations. So we're just gonna search Microsoft. And you'll see that it already is connected. But if it wasn't already connected, you could click connect right here with both Outlook and Microsoft. The first one connects your Outlook calendar so that you're never double booked. And it connects you to your Teams account. So if you are a person who likes to take meetings in Microsoft Teams, great, connect here. And if you would like to connect it to your Outlook Mail, like we talked about, so you can see all of your outbound in your outbox, if you can see it all in your Outlook account, you can connect to that too. I'm gonna let you do that on your own so that you don't see my login information. Now, let's go to my booking page to make sure that we are sending from my Outlook account, that we're booking in my Outlook calendar, and that we're connecting to Teams. Let's click Pages and choose the booking page that you would like to make these edits on. We're going to use dummy page at YouCanBookMe. That sounds like a great one to do a demo on. So the first page it's gonna bring you to is this one here, where it's gonna ask, how do you want to meet? Currently I've got it set to Google Meet because that's my preference typically. But if we hit the drop down, we can change it to Microsoft Teams because we've already added our Outlook account. And then all new meetings booked moving forward will automatically have a Teams link in my calendar as well as in my booker's calendar, and that's where we're gonna meet. Super duper easy. Then we wanna make sure it shows up in my Outlook calendar. So right now I've got so many different calendars that I'm having YouCanBookMe check my availability on to make sure I never get double booked because I've got a lot of calendars. I've got a lot going on. But if we hit edit, we'll be able to see that I have actually added my Outlook account right here. And we can click off to have it sync that calendar as well. So it's going to be checking that calendar. But now it's asking which calendar do they want us to create new booking events on. And I'm not very creative. My Outlook calendar is just called calendar. Sure, let's have it create calendar events in my Outlook account now. So you can see the little Microsoft icon. It's checking my availability all sorts of places, including on my Microsoft account. And it's creating new bookings in my Microsoft account. Fabulous. Everything is now through my Teams account, through my Microsoft account, through my Outlook account. Beautiful. Love that for me. Love that for you. So if you have any questions about connecting Microsoft to your YouCanBookMe account, whether it's using Teams, using Outlook, using your Microsoft calendar, feel free to pop a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.